Hey guys, it's Cody Hickman again with 360 Catering YouTube channel. We're going to do English toffee. This is National English Toffee Day. So what we're going to start out with is our underlayer, the toffee part. We'll put a little butter in our saucepan. Again, all these ingredients, measurements, and everything will be on our website, 360 Catering and Events. A little water, sugar, and just a little bit of salt. A pinch and a half, you know. So come on in here. See how that butter is just nice and melting? Oh, it's so beautiful. It doesn't take very long at all to get this to reduce down. It takes about 30-45 seconds. We'll be back in just a second when I have it all ready for you.
Go.
So as you can see, I've changed to a wooden spoon, and we are doing this over medium-low heat. And the good thing is you don't have to grease your pan; just put it straight into the pan. As you see, it pretty much levels out itself in a liquid form. And what we're going to do next is chill this in the refrigerator. Usually takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours, but just chill it until it gets nice and hard. Hey guys, we're back again with Cody Hickman at 360 Catering YouTube channel. We've gotten our toffee nice and chilled now, and what we're going to do is start with our chocolate for the topping of the English toffee that we're doing today. So just pour your chocolate chips in there. A little vegetable oil, that'll help thin it out a little bit. And here's my special thing. I like putting a little chili powder. Not a whole lot. It's not gonna spice it up too much. Make sure you don't grab your mixing bowl without something, because it is very, very hot. I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit more. As you see, that chocolate is just getting very smooth. And that's all you want to do, is just keep stirring it until it gets smooth all the way around. And then we're going to put it right on top of our toffee. And just smell that chocolate. It just smells amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So we're almost there. As you see, we're just getting the last few morsels in there. Nice and smooth. I'm going to take it off the heat. Always use a wooden spoon. It just helps it go a little smoother on this process. Put this aside. We're just going to smooth that chocolate all throughout. Spinning the vessel. Makes it a little bit easier to get all the little corners. Again, you want the toffee to be the hero here, so that's why I don't have a ton of chocolate on the top. That's one nice shell of it. So now we've got that done. We've got the finished product here. And the great thing about this is, because you didn't use a grease pan, because you got all that butter in the toffee, boom. Just dump it over, bring it back, bring a little hammer and have a little fun. You just crush all that off and you're going to have that nice piece right there for your toffee. See how you have the thin little chocolate, pecans on top, nice toffee bottom, and man, this is gonna be delicious. Oh man, bring that to your next holiday dinner. They'll love you for it. Thank you. And